Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to adjust color, light, tone curve and vignettes to your video on the Cinemagraph application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the gallery or photo icon down below, which is the fourth option, and select a video that you have uploaded. Then click on the edit button in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on this filter option or this adjustment icon, which is the third option. Here, first of all, you can select the temperature on this scale and the tint as well. You can adjust the saturation, light exposure, brightness, contrast, and the tone curve, the blacks, shadows, and the highlights and whites as well, and the intensity of vignettes and the radius. So if you want to reset the adjustments and get back the original without these edit adjustments, tap on the reset adjustments button down below and it will be reset to the original copy. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.